How are you doing?
Today I'm fine. Yeah.
Okay. So, it's like we did not meet yesterday. What did you do yesterday?
Because yesterday I moved to my new home.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. So I invited our
Mm-hmm.
friend and my coworker. So have some home party. So I
Wow.
delayed to delay to my class.
You had a house blessing party like that.
House party.
Oh. Why did you move though? What's the reason for you moving to a new place?
Now, before I left my house is I think that cost is too high. So
Oh, okay.
yes, I living together other my friend. So
Mm-hmm.
more better house in my budget.
Okay, so right now you're living with your friends, not
Yes,
alone.
yes,
Oh. Yeah, I think that is better and more cheap.
yes,
Sharing the pay or rent with your friends is okay also.
yes, more better.
Yeah, true. Okay. Anyway, I'm sorry I was absent last Friday. That is because, I was not feeling well.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's why. But right now I'm doing fine and doing better.
yes.
And okay, how about work? How's your work there?
Oh, now now worried around Corona, so
Mm-hmm.
I'm not good for work. So many customer
Mm-hmm.
didn't want to moving their cargo in Vietnam.
Oh.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
so nowadays March our company conclusion not
Mm-hmm.
good. Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. So, I saw that the number of patients really increased in South Korea. How about in
Yes.
Vietnam? How's the news there?
Yes, now Vietnam is not many in South Korea, but
Mm-hmm.
now in Vietnam 30% to infect
Mm-hmm.
corona. So Vietnam government more try to checking the coronavirus. So
Oh, okay.
some place prohibit to in there. So and then some company have a rest.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think that is a very good precautionary measure by the Vietnamese government for, to ensure your safety also.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Anyway, how's your homework for
Oh
your vowels? Are
yes.
you done with 1 to 4 homework?
I don't do one and two, and today I reported lesson three. So
Okay.
yes, I waiting for report.
Okay. All right. So let's try to have a review in lesson 4 by doing the lesson 4 homework
Yes,
before we move to lesson 5.
yes.
Okay. Wait. Okay, let's do the homework in lesson 4 first. So, can you pronounce first all the vowels 3 times each?
Okay. E E E E E E A A A.
Okay, the sentence.
Eight neighbor conveyed a message that they may use the survey data to label the safe zones in the neighborhood.
Okay, it is good. However, when recording, I want you to exaggerate the sounds. I
Yes.
want you to um, make your mouth or open your mouth wider.
Yeah.
Okay. 8 neighbors conveyed a message that they may use the survey data
Yes.
to label the safe zones in the neighborhood.
Neighborhood.
Try to open your mouth wider and try to exaggerate the sounds. Okay?
Okay, yes.
Again.
8 neighbors conveyed a message that they may use the survey data to label the safe zones in the neighborhood.
Okay, that is better. So again, when recording, try to emphasize and exaggerate the sounds. Okay?
Yes.
All right, any question about lesson 4?
No more question. Yeah.
Okay, we're done with that. Let's move on to lesson 5, which is short sound.
Yes.
So this is the IP symbol of sound. So this goes like eh, eh, eh. Can you do it?
E, e.
Okay, very good. So it's just a mid-low. It's not too low. Your jaw is not too low and not too high. It's just in the middle. Okay. And we have 2 spelling patterns. Number 1, letter E. Read the examples.
Ben, met.
Ben met.
Ben, met.
Okay. Number 2, words with EA. Examples.
Head, stead.
Head, stead.
Head, stead.
Okay, good. Let's go to word practice.
Okay. Bed, sat, went, ten, where, desk, ben, read, sell, edgy, get, yell, then, send, man.
Okay, let's go to the next one. Continue.
Yes. Breath, dead, head, health, bread, sweater, ready, meant, feather, spread, leather, happy, pleasure, treasure, jealous.
Zealous.
Zealous.
Okay, and continue.
Any, many, again, against, said, says, heifer,
Heifer.
heifer, friend, Zephard, leopard,
Jeopardy.
jeopardy,
Jeopardy.
jeopardy,
Mhm.
leopard,
Leopard.
leopard,
Mhm.
guest, guest, berry,
Berry. Okay. Can you read this one more time?
says,
Says.
says.
Says, not says. Okay, says.
Yes.
Said and says.
Said and said.
Again, against.
Again, against.
Okay, very good.
Teacher,
Better?
I have
Yes.
a question. And what is mean? Heifer, heifer.
Heifer.
Yeah.
It's young female cow. It's an animal.
Young.
Young female cow.
Okay.
Okay. Any more question?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go to sentence practice number 1.
Eddie will get 10 of Mac's hens to sell eggs for a living.
Again, Eddie will get 10 of Meg's hen to sell eggs for a living. This one, short I sound.
Yeah. Eddie will get 10 of Mac's hens to sell eggs for a living.
Okay, number 2.
Ben set his bells on the edge of his desk.
Okay, 3.
Send a 10 men to rescue our pets from the lion's den.
Rescue.
Rescue.
Again, send us 10 men to rescue our pets from the lion's den.
Send us 10 men to rescue our pet from the lion's den.
Okay, very good. Number 4.
My pet is getting very heavy from eating too much bread.
Good. Number 5.
A well-educated vet said that it would be best for my pet's health to get a rest.
Okay, 6.
Beth kept feeling jealous when Ted said that her friend's red leather jacket looked sexy.
Okay, 7.
Try to guess where I buried the leopard sofa.
Again, try to guess where I buried the leopard sofa.
Try to guess where I buried the leopard sofa.
Okay, and number 8.
Meg begged Ned to set 10 wet nets on the deck.
Okay, again, Meg begged Ned, pause, to set 10 wet nets, pause, on the deck. Again, Meg begged Ned to set 10 wet nets on the deck.
Meg begged Ned to set 10 wet nets on the deck.
Okay, don't pause every afterword. Just pause 2 times, after Ned and after Ned.
Okay. Meg begged Ned to set 10 wet nets on the deck.
Okay, that is better. All right, that will be actually the homework, so try to practice on that, okay?
Yes.
Any questions so far?
Teacher, number
Yes.
8, you teach to me is to pause two part.
Yes.
When I check for other question that time, how can know this place is stop or not?
Oh, that really depends on what kind of sentence is it. For example, here we have what we call thought groups.
Yes.
Thought groups are, words that can go together as one.
Yes.
Okay, for example, Meg, Bag, Ned, that's already one thought group.
Yes.
And then to set 10 wet nets, already one thought group and on the deck. Okay. For other sentences, you can just try to assess where can you pause properly. For example, number 7, try to guess. You can pause here where
Yes.
buried the leopard sofa.
Yes.
And pause here also. That really depends on you for the pausing part.
Yes.
Depends on you. Any more questions?
No more question.
Okay. Let's go to actual. Oh, it's almost time.
Yeah.
So we will continue this later,
Yes.
right? In the morning.
Yes.
Yeah, around 8,
Yes. Right.
8:20, 7:20, I think, in your time.
Yes. 7:20 in my time.
Yeah, 8:20 in our time, and 9:20 Korean time.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll see you later. Okay, in the morning.
Yes. Thanks, teacher.
Okay. Okay. Bye bye.